Hello and welcome to a video all about the TechWiz dictionary produced in the TechWiz project. The dictionary is the final result produced in the project. It is available at the link displayed on the screen. You will also find the link to the dictionary in the text above this video. TechWiz dictionary is a multi-language dictionary that can translate the definition of search terms into language's corresponding sign language. For example, if we choose Slovenian Sign Language, we can search for Slovene terms and show their definition in Slovene Sign Language. Here we are on the main web page of the dictionary. Let us look at its features. First and most importantly, we have the search bar. Here we are able to search for any term we would like to get a definition of. In the bottom right corner, we have the avatar that will sign in the selected sign language. But first, let us look at the top right corner. On the right, we have the help option that opens an overview with a short description of the dictionary's functionalities. We will go through all of those functionalities in this video, and the video itself will also be accessible from this location. Right next to the help option, we have the language selection. The dictionary currently works for Portuguese, German, Greek, Cypriot, and Slovene Sign Languages and their corresponding sign languages. English is not supported as a functional language, but is available in the menu to give the international audience from non-supported countries the ability to understand the contents of the web page. For this demonstration, we will use the Slovene Sign Language. You will notice that the interface and the sign language selection under the avatar have changed to Slovene. We will now search for the term maček, which is Slovene for a cat, by writing it in the search bar and clicking the magnifying button next to it to start the search. Because it's probably hard for the majority of you to understand Slovene, we will change the interface language back to English. The definitions for the search term are primarily collected from the project's database of technical terms that was created in the project. Alternatively, the term definitions are searched for in a national dictionary. Which resource was used is reported at the bottom of the collected definitions in the source section. Underneath are some other sources where you can find additional information on the subject. Usually, this is a connection to Wikipedia articles or similar freely available information sources. Now, if we return to the term we searched for, we can have the avatar sign the search term by clicking under the search bar on the View Term in Sign Language button. In the avatar section, you can replay, stop and pause the avatar signing. There is also an option to turn the avatar to see the sign from a different angle. By clicking on the information icon, you can also see the more detailed information on the playback options of the avatar. Avatar is using signs that were configured in the TechWiz Studio. In case the definitions use words that were not configured, the avatar will default to spelling the words using finger spelling. Finally, we have the list of definitions for the search term in the center of the screen. The word for cat in Slovene can have a few different meanings, which are listed here. For each of the definitions, we can display the definition in the sign language by pressing the display button. In the case where words contained in the definition were not configured in the TechWiz Studio or the definition was not made to reflect the changes between the spoken and sign language, for example conjugation, the words are automatically spelled in the appropriate sign language. Clicking the camera icon next to the term definition opens a new browser tab with the images relating to the definition. This can help give the dev a better context of the term and his specific definition. The Show Summarization button under the definition searches Wikipedia for related entries to give the user a broader description. This function is only available in selected languages. Definitions can also be ranked based on the quality or relevancy of the definition. The rating of definitions affects the order in which definitions are listed. The final element of the TechWiz dictionary, which we want to show you here, is currently exclusive to the Portuguese Sign Language, but we will hopefully implement it for more languages in the future. For this purpose, we will switch to Portuguese and search for gato, which is Portuguese for cat. In the new list, you can see a new element between the definition and the summarization button. This is a readability index. It is a numerical representation of how well individual definitions can be signed by the avatar, considering the words used in the definition. The lower the number, the better the readability is. Good scores are marked in green, and they should be fairly easily readable. Higher numbers turn yellow or red and indicate that the definition is not as well supported and it will be mostly spelled in sign language. This concludes this short presentation on the TechWiz dictionary and its functionalities. Feel free to visit the dictionary's website, which is provided in the video description, and have a look around, try different options, and try searching for some terms. We hope you will try the TechWiz dictionary for yourself and it will be useful to you. If you wish to learn more about the project and its results, continue to watch the videos, or you can follow and/or contact us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram, or visit the project's website. Thank you for watching and goodbye.